this trim piece off, you can just grab behind here and slide it off. If you need to, you can take a trim tool and just pop it off. There's just some clips holding that on. Right here, there is a screw. Use an 8mm socket. Take that screw out. That screw should come out. Then grab the light assembly, rock it forward, and you want to slide it out. And just twist it out of here. Disconnect the connector, just push down on the tabs and slide it out. If you wanted to replace the bulb, it's an H11 bulb, and you just grab the bulb, twist to the left, and it slides right out. Just make sure you don't touch the glass part of the bulb. It goes in the same way it came out. Connect the connector. And I'll just slide this into place. I'm going to slide this side in first. It slides into a little clip area, and then make sure that goes over where the hole is. And take the bolt, line it up with the bracket, and tighten it down. Just snug. Take the trim assembly and lock it down.